Hi everyone, welcome again in JS and RS Solution channel. Today's tutorial is very special for those who are looking for land cover map for a particular area or the whole globe. Esri and Impact Observatory Institute released 10-meter resolution global and land cover dataset. In this video, I will show you how you can download this 10-meter resolution land cover dataset for free and how you can prepare land cover map for your area of interest in ArcGIS. Then let's start. In search box, write Esri 2020 land cover. Then you will get some links and click on this link. Then you will get this window, or I will give this link in the description box. Anyway, new 2020 global land cover. Here you will see all the description regarding this. Then go to this link, Esri 10-meter land cover. Then click on this link. The description about the product. Then open in map viewer. In map viewer you will see here the global land cover data. Esri 2020 land cover. Here different color represents different land cover. Like the red color represents built area, or blue color represents water body. Uh, this layer can also be used in analysis that requires LLC input. You will get the detailed description from this page. Then click here, view application. Then Esri 2020 land cover downloader. Access to the full global GeoTIFF zip file is also available. But if you want to download the specific areas land cover, then you will just click on the box. So I want to download from this area. Right click on the location, then download scene 45R. Click on this. Before that, you have to sign in this website. My land cover data has been downloaded. After that, I will add this data into ArcMap. I'm adding this data. Add. Go to properties and then the source. You will see the source WGS 9084. Then symbology, unique values. Click OK. So here you can see the 10 land use classification. Here different color represent a different land use category. Also you will get the specific land use legend description from here, like crops, grass, flooded vegetation and so on. Now I will add my study area shapefile. According to the shapefile, I will cut just my specific area. So here is my study area. Now I will mask this study area according to the land use category. So for doing that, go to Spatial Analyze Tools and then Extraction, Extract by Mask. Here add the land use data as input raster and then study area as mask data. This is the land cover data that I have downloaded and extracted according to the mask data. You can also see the attribute table, and now I will change the color according to the land cover category. Here you can also see the transparency of the map behind the land cover. The detailed description of the different land cover. Change the color according to land category. You can match the color according to the downloaded land cover data. Rename the land category. You can also rename from here. Now I will create a map layout. I hope you liked this tutorial, and now you can easily prepare the land cover map using this free dataset. If you use this dataset to make land cover, then please use this source of dataset as reference. Anyway, if you are learning something from the channel, then it will be my pleasure. And I would like to say thank you to everyone for being with the channel.